Welcome to our guide on how to create a remembrance post on Facebook. Let's walk through the steps together. 1. Start by opening the Facebook app on your Android device. 2. Tap on the What's on Your Mind section to begin composing your post. 3. Scroll down and select Life Event to honor and remember a special moment or individual. 4. Choose interests and activities to reflect on the memories and significance of the person or event you are commemorating. 5. Enter a title for your remembrance post and include the relevant date to pay tribute to the occasion or individual. 6. Tap Next at the top right corner to proceed. 7. Utilize the audience selector to decide who you want to share this heartfelt remembrance with, whether it's close friends, family, or a specific group of individuals who share in the significance. 8. Finally, tap Post at the top right corner to share your remembrance post with your chosen audience, allowing them to join you in honoring and remembering the moment or individual being commemorated. By following these steps, you can create a meaningful remembrance post on Facebook to reflect on and share important memories with your social network. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been helpful in explaining how to post a remembrance on Facebook. Share your tributes, memories, and reflections with your online community, allowing others to join you in commemorating and honoring the special moments and individuals that hold significance in your life.